Other side, please.
Wait on, wait.
Không thấy tên tới được.
Không có tên luôn hả? Ok. Rồi đưa tên cho mình chứ. Kỳ đó. Có không? Không, tại sao nó không nói hả? Mình
How are you?
How come you don't test? How come you don't test it me?
Say again?
Why don't you test me? So where to meet?
Here.
Yeah, we don't know.
You don't want to meet? The program clear.
Yeah.
So we are going to Amalfi Coast.
Yes.
We are going to visit Positano.
Yes.
We are going to visit Sorrento. We are
Yes.
going, and then by 4 o'clock we are coming back. Okay, that's gonna be the plan for the day. Okay?
Okay.
Sounds good to you?
Yeah.
Everything okay?
Any beach, any swimming? So talk to her. She
Any swimming. If you wanna go to swim, there is a quick swim.
Okay.
Quick swim.
talk to that lady. Can.
At the end.
Yes, at the end. Before.
No, at the end được đâu.
At the end, I'm not pretty sure that will be
talk to her.
be
Sorrento.
Whenever
Yeah, forget the
squeeze in
Talk to her.
swimming, we will swim.
Okay, I'll taking you to the beach,
Yes.
the big beach of Positano. You are having time there. After that, we go to visit another town. Since, of course, I'm gonna stay in only one car. Okay, I'm gonna say one car. Other 2 cars, I'm not gonna be there. So I'd like to share the program with you now. So first of all, we are going to the coast, to the Amalfi Coast. First stop is gonna be like a factory of limoncello, where you can have some tasting there, or you can have a standing picture from there too. Then we go to Positano. We're gonna have the beach stop there. Okay, then we are coming back. We are going to Sorrento. We are having a walk, some shopping there, and then back to the ship. Sounds good to everybody? All clear? Everything okay?
Back here 4 o'clock.
At Positano, are we making multiple stops or just the beaches?
We are gonna have a walk through the town. Then we wanna go to the beach. Go to the beach. So
Rồi sao đây sao?
first
6 tháng mà.
Okay.
6 sao?
So have you already divided the car?
The last group with 8 people, is that okay?
No, I tầm.
Okay. Okay. One group of 8, one group on 7. Please come with me. The one of 8 and one of 7. The other 7 remain here, please. And wait for me. All right. So these are the first cars. One of 8, one of 6. All the same. Yes. No, it's gonna be 7 and 7. 7 and 7. they are in the car. We are ready to go.
Okay,
we are ready to go.
right, sure.
I'm gonna meet you there. First stop, Limoncello factory.
Okay, sure.
There.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Your name?
My name is Tony.
Tony.
Oh, easy to remember.
Tony, easy to remember. But it's my long name, you know how? It's my long name is Antonio Davide Lorenzo Campo Mendez.
I got it.
Oh.
Ma, you call me Tony. This is not yours.
And Tony, what?
It's over there. No. I explain after. No worry. Antonio Davide Lorenzo Campo Mendez. My dad is of Argentina and of is Italian. Let's come from Rome. Okay. Everybody, because that's a lot of police here, and they'll catch you without 100 or 200 tickets. We don't want this because it's a day for your happiness today, right? Hey, laugh! Come on!
Well, what you say, we have to listen.
Yeah. Where do you come from? What part? What part? Vietnam.
California.
California, Vietnam, what? Yeah, very good English maybe, but I hope you understand. Because how many boat? Oh, no, legal. Illegal.
Not illegal.
Illegal. We are 2 million people in that place. 2 million. 1 million is immigrants come here. And of this 1 million is illegal. And but our government, Napoli. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you.
You want me to kiss your hand?
No, baby. Napoli, because Florence, translating Florence means Firenze. Firenze. It's so good Italian way. It's so good Italian name, or not? Yeah. Watch this. That's because we embrace all the races. Watch, nessuno escluso. You know what I mean in Italiano? Nessuno escluso, because nobody excluded. We embrace everyone. Okay. Not in North Italy. North Italy is different. We are rival. North Italy. North Italy looks like a French people. You know French people?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very rude, stupid, dumbass. Yeah. This is
Nice people.
dumbass people. I'm sorry for the bad words, but this is not bad words. It's funny words. You understand when I say that? I'm sorry for the band. Ma'am, you can sorry me?
So those.
So it's very, very expensive. Like Positano, like the Amalfi. No Sorrento. Sorrento, it's quiet. You like this tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, Pino Marittimo. Say after me. Pino Marittimo. Bravissimi. Bravi. Good.
Oh, very good.
Pino Marittimo. Yes. Sea pine in English.
Oh, sea pine.
Sea pine, because it's close to the
Sea, right?
As the roots, you can find only in this place. Yeah, just in this place. This mountain called Monti Latari.
Monti Latari.
Monti Latari. In English, it's Milk Mountains.
Mile mountain?
Milk Mountain. Because
mountain.
inside that, that's a lot of farm that produce mozzarella bufala campana.
Okay.
Look, watch the green partisan. The partisan and resistance, Italian resistance. As the height about and around these mountains, you can see some building and remember the second words. Look, over there.
Yeah.
But in 1945, maybe everybody knows, come Americans here and freedom this village. Okay? And this castle is equal to General to Germany military. that's 2 towers. Okay. Every tower it's two shade. But you don't know. My grandpa stay close for 2 months before come Americans here and freedom. And watch this.
This one right here.
This now is middle Costa.
Oh.
Yeah. And a long time ago, when the American give 3 elements: a bacon, eggs, and cheese. With these 3 elements, this guys, Mimi, now open the restaurant, inventing carbonara. Okay, after move to Rome. Everything started on this place.
This is the last one, man.
Last one, yes. The first place to sell to tomato carbonara and the huge lemon. They come from all blue like this come from Capri. And the big one that's Sorrento.
Đi chứ cho biết. Nhưng mà mai mốt có đây nữa. Aruba nữa. Mấy nó dễ thương lắm, nước nhỏ mà dễ thương lắm. Aruba. Đường đây không có đèn xanh đèn đỏ. Không có đèn xanh đèn đỏ. Xe chạy không có đèn xanh đèn đỏ. Trung Mỹ đó vòng vòng cái Philippines đó. Là đi Dominican, Jamaica là mấy nước cũng vui á.
Nó đó phía bên Caribbean.
Đúng rồi, Caribbean là Trung Mỹ á.
Nãy giờ nó tới nó Châu Phi.
No, thao thôi. Nó có cái núi, trên cái đồi núi nó bằng. Tôi cho tiền mấy thằng nhóc á. Ồ, tao.
You can see a lot of olive tree everywhere. Yeah. This is Sorrento.
Right, Sorrento.
This is.
Em Sorrento đó.
Sorrento bên phải kìa Khánh.
Bên phải đó.
Mà trong ghế mà tự chụp hình thì vui thôi không ghế nha. Ồ đẹp chứ hả? Đẹp chứ.
Núi không?
Sao bằng Greece đẹp hơn nhiều. Wow. Ồ, nó quá đẹp luôn. Nhìn kìa. Ồ, thằng đứng luôn ha. Tối nay mày muốn ngủ đây hay muốn ngủ bên wow. Tối nay ngủ đây ha. Mình nếu mà mình ngồi đi xe trước mình kêu thằng kia đấy thằng mình xe này thua.
Love Factory. So you can test free the limoncello, okay?
What is the limoncello? What does it mean?
The limoncello, what's it mean? It's with the peel, the lemon, stir in the alcohol. After you can drink.
Why would stop here?
Thằng đứng giống như người ta say kìa.
You okay here?
Yeah. Why we stop here?
That is limoncello. This side, okay. I must point this very well because you may have some limoncello in other part of Italy, but the original one can only be made with the lemons that grow in this side of the coast, okay? So limoncello can only be, the original limoncello can only be made with lemons of Amalfi Coast, Capri Island, okay? That is to have the, for you to have a better idea of it. So now we are having a quick view of the factory. As I said, on the car where we was, the part that we use to make limoncello is not the juice, is the skin. Is the skin. Okay? Skin. Very, very important. You use the skin. Very good. Very good. So actually, we are going inside having an idea of how they make limoncello, there is also shop inside. There is bathroom, restroom if you may need. There is a big terrace that you can see, and then you can have standing picture from there. We are gonna stay here like 20 minutes, and after that we proceed to the coast. Okay? Sounds good?
Okay.
Please follow me. Aspetta un momento, please, man.
So here
I'll show you the rest. Okay, so this is the side where they actually put in the bottle. Okay, so after that they put into pure alcohol, 90% alcohol. They use it to marinate from 3 up to 15 days. All right. Please let me go first. All right.
Cheers.
Oh, Dad, you're gonna die. You're gonna Let me record you. Let me record you. Wait, no.
Good. Mua 2 bịch cho nữa đi. Cái này chị Sang nói nó kẹt này ngon nè. Không. Không mình mua cho thôi.
Lá cho hả? Kìa, thử. Có chocolate mà.
Điều 2 đơn đi á. Mua gì đâu? Có rượu rồi. Mua chưa? Rượu rồi đi. Xong rồi. Trả tiền rồi đi. Go.
28 euro. 28 euro.
Ok, trả tiền rồi đi. Trả tiền rồi đi. Trả tiền đi.
20 đồng á. No, you don't want it?
Trả tiền đi. Trả tiền hả? Tiền đó đó.
Balsamico? Why not? Lemon. Đối lập.
Sao không?